Hello students, so we will begin with exercise. So as all of you know, 3A we don't have in the syllabus, so we'll begin with exercise 3B. We have already completed in the month of March with question number 1, 2, question number 3, and so we will continue with question number 4. The question is determine the value of k for each of the following system of linear equation have unique solutions. I read the question again. Determine the value of k for each of the following systems of linear equation have unique solutions. So here we can see that we have 3 sub questions, 1, 2 and 3. In all the questions you can see there is k. Again you see here k, and lastly here is k. In all the 3 questions we have to find the value of k. So since the chapter relates with linear equation in 2 variable, always we will have 2 equations. See here, 2x plus 3y minus 5 equals 0, kx minus 6y minus 8 equals 0. This is 2 variable. Here also we can see 2, here also we can see 2. So beginning with the first question, I'll start with question number 1. So I have noted down the question. Determine the value of k for each of the following systems of linear equation have unique solutions. See, you underline the word unique solution. And see, question number 1 I wrote. You can mention this as equation 1 and equation 2. So as we already know, and if you remember, you recall from the beginning what we did in the beginning of the year. If not, you just focus. I'll explain it once again. Always remember, this is called variable. This is variable, and here we don't have variable, so this is called constant term. This is ax by c. Again, ax by c. So here we are writing, since this is equation 1, this is equation 2, so whatever a, b and c, all will be a1, b1, c1, as this is equation 1. Repeating, this will be a2, b2, c2, as this is equation 2. So this criteria you have to repeat for all the questions. This is rough side. You can separate in your copy right and left to make rough side for your understanding. So here, writing with the solution, here you have to write all the question in the same way, all the question of question number 4. So we have here a1, b1, c1. a1 is 2, b1 is 3 and c1 is minus 5. But what we are writing here, c1, we are writing 5. Why? Because this is constant term, I said, without variable. Here without variable. The without variable terms are taken to the other side, means to the right side. And whenever we change the place, remember we change the sign. If it is minus, this will become plus. If here is plus, it will be minus. Similarly this one. See, for that only I have written this side, you can check. So C1 is plus 5, C2 is plus 8. A2 we have, this is what? A2 is k, B2 is minus 6. B2 is minus 6 and C2 is plus 8. So we got all the terms, and as the question says, unique solution, so you have to check with the table and please try to memorize the table. So you can see here exactly one solution or unique solution. This is what required in our question. See, determine the value of k have unique solution. So we need this. Coming to the corresponding side, what is the condition? A1 by A2 is not equal B1 by B2. So we will use these conditions here. So we have written, for equations have unique solution, A1 by A2 is not equal B1 by B2. We will put the value of A1, A2, B1, B2 from above. So we have 2k we have 3 and 6. We have 3 and 6, that is minus 6. C we don't need. We don't need C1, C2 because see here we don't have anything relating to C. If the condition is with this and this, in that case we will take the C. But in the present question we don't need. So we will stop till here. So putting the value after this, what we will do, since this is a fraction, we will do cross multiply. K into 3 will be 3k. 2 into minus 6 will be minus 12. Now since this is called variable and variable remain to the left and this will become as divisor. 12 divided by 3 minus 12 divided by 3 is minus 4. So hence our answer is k is not equal to minus 4. So here we will stop the answer. Here this is the point where we will stop. So finally you understand that what value of k we got. We got the value of k is not equal minus 4. So for all the question you have to write in this way. You have to take out A, B and C. A, B and C for equation 1. For equation 2, put them according to the condition. If it is unique, you will write this. If the question is indefinitely many solution, you have to write this. If it is no solution, you have to write with this. But question number 4, all the question is unique. So for all question you will do in this way. So all of you please check the video and tell whether you understand or not, and you go through it, and then I will give you some exercise. Thank you.